guys thought that was okay, so you guys have had this one before. What's that?
That should be the scapulae. Or is that the...
Levator scapulae.
Levator, yeah.
Okay. Then flip him over. Okay. This is his pectoralis minor. So it goes over here, and then it goes down and over. So the pectoralis major is this one. It's forming a V. So it's this muscle and that muscle. And then right above it, anterior to that, is going to be the pectoralis minor. Okay. Then we have the rhomboids, but you guys have also had that one already. So that one should be easy. The rhomboids are right here between the shoulder blades. So the rhomboids. And then my very favorite muscle, yes it does, is what I call it the shark gills, but it's also the serratus anterior. So that's going to be this.
It looks like the gills.
Shark gills, serratus anterior. On the cat, they call it the serratus ventralis, I think, because it's ventral on the cat, but it's anterior on the human, so stick with serratus anterior.
Anterior?
Mm-hmm. If you put ventralis on the cat, that would be fine. I mean, it's okay. But if it's on the human, it needs to say serratus anterior. Next, you guys have the trapezius. So again, that was from a couple of weeks ago, so this should be familiar. That's the trapezius. And we also need the latissimus dorsi, again, the one you've seen. So that's going to be this guy.
Wait, the flap right there?
Yeah, so it connects all the way like that, but we just cut it so that we can see the serratus anterior, etc. Alright, pectoralis major we just did, so that's this going to be this one. And the deltoid as well. The deltoid is going to be this muscle and this muscle. So deltoid are these and these. And you also need the teres major, which I call the armpit meat. So that's going to be this muscle here, right here. Okay, the teres major.
Which one's that?
Teres major.
Teres major? Oh, okay.
Teres major. And the rotator cuff, there are going to be 3 in here that you need to know. Okay. So we're going to peel this back and got your scapula. So you need your supraspinatus. Actually, if somebody grab the scapula here, just hand it over. Okay. I'll go ahead and...
Should I stand back on the other side and see?
Yeah, that's fine. Okay. So for this you have... We'll start with the back side. The subscapularis fossa. The fossa is a depression, so that makes sense that the subscapularis muscle will be on top of your scapula. And then over here, this is the spine of the scapula, and that's why you need to do
process.
That's why you need to do bones first. This isn't going to make much more sense. But you've got your supraspinatus fossa. So it's superior to the spine, supraspinatus fossa. So your supraspinatus muscle is going to go in there, into that fossa. And then you also have on the list the infraspinatus. It's just below the spine. So that fossa, the infraspinatus fossa, is where you're going to have the muscle filling in. So on those bones...
How is that in there? Like,
right. So you've got this going like that.
okay.
So this part above the spine is going to be your supraspinatus. And then inside, medial, interior, that's going to be your subscapularis. And then on the other side, on the list, infraspinatus. So that's just, can't really see it as well, but it's down in here. And it's going to fill up this groove right here, this fossa. Okay. So, again, get the bones down. What else is on the list? Your triceps brachii. Now those are 3. If you remember, the quadratus femoris has 4 muscles.
Right.
That's the hot dog in the bun. We've got the triceps brachii, which is 3 muscles. So you're gonna have 1, 2, lift it up, and you have 3 heads to the triceps brachii.
Are they named the same way? Or are they different?
No, you've got the long head, the lateral, and the medial. So, long, lateral, and medial.
Wait, what was the long one? That small one right there, right?
Right in there.
In the middle? Okay, that's the long.
And what else do we have? So you guys also have, okay, so the elbow of the cat, you have your, the brachialis, so that's going to be this one right here. So lift up one of the heads, brachialis, and then the next muscle that goes over the top, you have your brachioradialis. So it's going to be this right here.
Is that a tendon or
It's a muscle, brachioradialis. And then you also have the biceps brachii. That's the Popeye muscle. So, you know, Popeye makes the muscle, biceps pops up. So lift up the pectoralis minor. And in here, you have your biceps brachii. Do you want to go over the ones from last week?
Yeah, why not?
Okay, so.
You already went over the first week, right?
Yeah. Well, most of them, yes.
Oh, okay. Biceps femoris.
Okay. So, wait, what's that?
Minimus, maximus.
Gluteus,
minimus,
maximus,
medius.
and then biceps femoris. And then what's that?
Semitendinosus, membranosus,
Semimembranosus.
gastrocnemius, soleus.
Okay. And this one?
I think tensor.
No, sartorius.
Sartorius.
And then
The outside one, that's the tensor.
tensor. Yeah. So
Fascius.
muscle
Fascia
comes up,
latae.
the fascia extends over the knee, it tenses up. Alright, so if we flip this over, what is this one right here?
Gracilis.
Gracilis, open it up. You can see the semitendinosus and the semimembranosus. This one,
Adductor longus. No, magnus brevis longus.
right, no, just adductor magnus plus brevis, adductor longus, pectineus, and in here, iliopsoas. Okay. And then this one right here. What was on your quiz today? Tibialis anterior.
Oh yes, that's what I missed.
That should be everybody. Okay.
What about the
Also from the first week. Oh, the hot dog. Good call.
You forgot that last week too.
No, I never forgot the hot dog.
Yeah, you did. You forgot, and then you're like, oh no, I have the quadriceps.
Oh. Okay. All right. I
it
thought
on
you meant
video.
like
I
I thought
approve.
you meant that I didn't show you at all.
Oh no.
So this group together.
Quadriceps femoris.
This one on the outside.
Vastus lateralis. Is that vastus medialis? No, right? Oh.
Yep.
Rectus femoris.
And this one right here.
Vastus intermedius.
Intermedius.
That was from the quadriceps.
Yes. Okay. Yeah, that one's a nice one. Okay. Do you want to redo the ones from today? Or here we've got
Oh, that's the first one.
external obliques, internal obliques, transverse abdominis, rectus abdominis. If you flip this, you can see the muscle of the rectus abdominis.
Okay.
And the linea alba, which is not a muscle, it's just connective tissue. You guys also have the latissimus dorsi, which we did.
Yep. I have it on.
And there was the levator scapulae, which we already went over here. And the rhomboid between the shoulder blades as well. And the splenius, which is going to be...
What is it called?
The splenius.
Splenius or splenius?
Splenius. Splenius, right there. That, I think that's everything so far.
Okay.
Pretty sure that's just about everything.
All right, that works.